Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. And here's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers, and it's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that becomes our specialty. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.